In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock objects in Miro. If you've ever tried to move something on your board and nothing happens, it's probably locked. Locking is great for keeping layouts tidy, but when you need to make changes, unlocking is quick and easy. I'll walk you through how to select a locked item, unlock it, and then get right back to editing. First, select the locked object. Click directly on the item you want to unlock. You'll know you've selected it when you see the selection outline appear around it. Locked objects show a small lock icon on them, which is your visual cue that the item can't be moved or edited yet. If the board is busy with many overlapping elements, take a moment to zoom in so you can click the exact object you're aiming for. If your first click doesn't pick the right thing, try clicking again on the area until the correct item is highlighted. Now let's unlock it. With the object selected, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Unlock. Depending on your device, that right click might be a two-finger click or a long press, but the menu you need will appear right next to your cursor. If you prefer using the on-screen controls, look for the floating toolbar that appears when an object is selected. You'll see a lock icon there as well. Click that lock icon to toggle it off. Either method does the same thing. It removes the lock and gives you full control of the item again. Once the object is unlocked, you can edit or move it freely, drag it to a new spot on the board, use the corner handles to resize it, rotate if that option is available, or open its properties to change colors, text, or other settings. If you're adjusting text or shapes, click once to select and then click again to start editing the content. Keep an eye on the bounding box indicators. If you still see a lock icon, it hasn't been unlocked yet and you'll need to repeat the previous step. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the unlock option in the menu or the lock icon in the toolbar is unavailable, you might not have permission to change that object on the board. Also, if multiple items are locked, you'll need to unlock each one you want to modify. That's all there is to it. Select the locked item, unlock it from the menu or the floating toolbar, and then edit or move it as needed. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Miro.